All right, this is kind of a quick down and dirty video about the statewide assessment that is coming to you now in a quiz form. So we've got face-to-face and online courses that are both going to be watching this video, so I'm going to talk about you both. Pay attention to what is you. Now, you probably got an email today that asked you to join a course called the Math 123 Outcomes, all right? Something like that. If you did it and you deleted it already, don't worry. When you go into IB Learn, it's probably going to pop up at the top. You need to accept that invitation. Many of you already have. I get emails when that happens. So go ahead and accept that invitation. That is going to allow you access into these pieces. So first I'm going to start in my online courses. So to find this quiz in the online course, right, you guys have modules, and because you're online, things are set up that way. So every module the week prior to an exam, so module 4, you will see down here, right, the review exam quiz 1. This is the new piece. It's time. I'm going to talk about it more in detail, but that's where you're going to find it. You can take this quiz as many times as you want, and the highest grade is recorded. So you can start taking that now if you'd like to prep, especially for the online course. This is fabulous because it's the same way that you're going to take the exam next week. So it's really, really great that you have that place. So it's in Module 4, Module 9 is where you will find the second one, Review Quiz 2, and then Module 15 has the third quiz. You'll notice they're all open at this point. Again, you can take them as many times as you want, and you can take them whenever you want. They are due the day of the exam. So kind of keep that in mind. Okay, so my face-to-face classes, both morning and evening, you're going to find these under modules. And this is my morning class, so there's the class that we're missing tomorrow. But after that, you see a new module that just came up today, actually about 3 minutes ago, and it says Practice Exam Quizzes. So you'll notice the first one is due the day of the first exam. So this is where you get to these. So again, these are quiz grades. So you're going to want to make sure that you're treating this fairly. Okay, so when you click into this, it's going to ask you, the review, blah, blah, blah. You want to click this link. When you click this link, it's going to take you into this page. Now this one says there are no due dates because everybody in the state is going to see this page. There are 20 questions, it's worth 100 points, and you have 75-minute time limit. But again, you can do this as many times as you want. So I can't take the exam, but I can preview it so that you can have an idea what's going on. So these are, write this in standard form. Well, 1, 5, 9, 3. 3 more zeros makes it 1,000. So you go through and you answer all of these questions. When you finish, well, let me get one wrong. Sorry, you're getting whiplash. So when you're done, and you go all the way to the bottom and you hit submit. Yes, I know there's 18 unanswered questions. But when you first see it, look, I got that one right. It's correct, and it shows me the correct answer. This one is incorrect. It shows me what I answered, and it shows me what the correct answer is. This is the only time you will see the correct answers. If you go in and try to take it again, there are going to be different questions. And because this question 1 comes from a pool of questions. So it's going to be the same type of question, but it's going to be different problems. But again, you can take this as many times as you want. So please feel free to, try it as many times as you want. After 75 minutes, it will kick you out. So you do have to kind of make sure you're paying attention and you're working hard. So that's kind of where we're at and what this is about. So this is important that you do. This grade will not be dropped from any of your quizzes. It's going to go in as a quiz grade, and it really will help prepare you for the exam. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know. But this is our new review. So thanks, and let me know if you have questions.